Well, our top focus today, the political showdown in the national capital. With just a week left for New Delhi to go into the polls, the BJP has finally brought out, well, what it considers its Brahmastra, its strongest combatant. Who else? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's all set to hit Delhi streets today to campaign for the upcoming election. Wanting to revive the Modi magic against the BJP, it has organized a rally which will be headed by Prime Minister at the CBD ground in Karkarduma in East Delhi this evening. A voter turnout of 40,000 people is expected at the rally, in which 19 other BJP candidates will be taking part. Other BJP bigwigs too will be holding roadshows across the city throughout today. Remember, the BJP aims at holding 250 campaign events in the days to come. The BJP is also planning to set up an election war room to monitor and control the party's campaigning in the city today. The Nerve Centre will track social media and outdoor campaigning activities, along with keeping a tab on local unit heads. The Aam Aadmi Party already has one such election campaign control room running. Let's go straight across to headlines. Today's Brajesh Pandey, who's tracking all the developments in the run-up to Narendra Modi's rally. It's the big weapon against against what has become a very, very ferocious kind of competition in the national capital, Brajesh. But today, we've been calling all those leaders the big guns, but this is the real big gun, the Prime Minister himself, who's going to be on stage.
Well, absolutely, and it also in a way shows how BJP is dependent on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, we have seen almost the entire cabinet which has been pressed into this assembly election in Delhi, and apart from that, more than 120 to 150 member of parliament are working round the clock in coordination with various Panna Pramukhs, various coordination committees which are fanned across all over Delhi. But it's still, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi still remains the biggest trump card which the party has, and the party is expecting that whatever disadvantage they are at because of the internal bickering, they feel that these four rallies, back-to-back rallies done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, will make sure that the BJP does a surge in the last lap into the election. Remember, there are only 5 days left for campaigning in Delhi Assembly election, and it looks like in these last 5 days, 4 rallies of Prime Minister has been planned, and the party feels that because of these 4 rallies, the BJP will be able to maintain a surge given to a very tough competition given by Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal.
And Brajesh, given the amount of speculation that has been, swirling over the concept of the Modi wave, what is the sense you're getting, while you cover the run-up to this election, about just how much of a verdict or a referendum will the result of this election really be on the Modi wave? Because at the end of the day, Narendra Modi, starting today, is directly involved in this election.
Well, absolutely. The BJP is also acutely aware of the kind of damage a loss or say a hung assembly in Delhi can give to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's image. And this is the big reason why, if you remember, Shiv, after his rally at Ram Leela Maidan, the Prime Minister has been conspicuously absent. And it's BJP President Amit Shah who has taken over the charge. And they have kind of made several layers of wall between the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the person and the common BJP supporters in Delhi. Therefore, there is an attempt to insulate the image of the Prime Minister, and they don't want the juggernaut of the Prime Minister to be stopped in any which way, because there are various other important assembly elections. One of them is at the end of the year, which is assembly elections in Bihar, and they don't want the image of the Prime Minister to be dented in any which way. So there is an attempt to insulate the Prime Minister and his direct involvement in this assembly election. But a loss or a hung assembly in Delhi will definitely dent the image of the Prime Minister as well as the BJP leadership in Delhi.
All right, so there are lots of vulnerabilities out there in the run-up to this election already. As we've been saying here, Brajesh, the BJP has pretty much bet the farm on this election, politically significant small state, but the atmospherics around an election in Delhi simply cannot be underestimated. Brajesh, thanks for getting us that live update.